If you want to make your document look more polished and professional, one of the easiest things you can do in LibreOffice Writer is add a page border and shading. This is a simple formatting trick, but it can completely change the look of your page and make your document stand out. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert a page border and shading in LibreOffice, step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to apply it to any Writer document in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice opens, look at the left side under Create and click Writer Document. This will open a new blank document where you can apply the page styling changes. Now that your Writer document is open, go to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down menu, select Page Style. This is where LibreOffice keeps the settings for page layout, borders, and background options. When the Page Style window opens, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the Borders tab first. Here, you can choose the border style you want for your page. You can pick a simple line, a thicker border, or even adjust which sides of the page get the border. Once you've selected the style you like, click OK to apply it. At this point, your page will already have a border around it. If you want to make the page look even better, you can also add shading or a background color. To do that, go back up to Format, click Page Style again, and this time select the Area tab. Inside the Area tab, you'll see options for choosing a fill color or background style. Pick the color you want for your page shading. You can choose something subtle like light gray, cream, or blue, depending on the look you want for your document. After selecting your color, click OK again to save the changes. And just like that, you've added both a page border and shading to your LibreOffice Writer document. This is a great way to improve the presentation of reports, assignments, letters, or any document where you want a cleaner and more stylish design. If you ever want to change the look later, you can simply return to Page Style and adjust the border or shading settings again. So that's how to insert a page border and shading in LibreOffice Writer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.